We're here at Pondbiz. My name is Frank, and inside our store we have a little pond that we wanted to show you and teach you a few things that make a very successful low-maintenance pond. The first thing I wanted to point out is that there is a liner underneath all the rock and gravel here. The liner is neutral, doesn't react with the fish or chemicals, and is the ideal situation for having a pond. You can conform it to any shape or size that you want. The second thing I wanted to show you is here at the end of the pond. I wanted to show you the filter systems. We have two filter systems on this particular pond. This one is built in, this biological filter. Then we have over here what's called an external filter. Now both of these filters, what they do is that they bring in the toxins from the pond and they convert the toxins from nitrite to nitrate. Now nitrate is a chemical that feeds the plants. The plants in turn feed the fish excrete, goes to the biological filter, and you've got this beautiful natural cycle going on in the pond. At the other end of the pond, I wanted to show you another very important component. This is called the skimmer. It is just like a pool skimmer, only much, much larger. The skimmer houses the pump, and so you don't have to clean the pump. Most skimmers have little filters like this one does, has a little leaf basket so that you can just take out the leaves. That way, the leaves are brought into the skimmer, they don't go to the bottom as much and turn to food. That's a very important part of keeping the balance in your pond. The other component I wanted to show you is the plants. We have plants in the pond. What the plants do is they compete for the food in the pond because you've got a battle going on between the algae, these plants, and also bacteria. And that's the last component I wanted to point out is the gravel at the bottom of the pond. What the gravel does is it houses the microorganisms that really keep your pond healthy. If the microorganisms, the bacteria, eat most of the food, then algae has its place, plants have their place, and everything is crystal clear. You see your fish, you see the bottom of the pond, which you should in a successful pond. So these are just a few of the components that make up a very low maintenance, nice looking pond, and we just wanted you to know that so that next time you build your pond or have someone build it, you know exactly what to do. We hope you enjoyed our little tutorial. Enjoy the waterfall.